Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. This morning I am at Rogers Park. It's 7 in the morning, so the board's all pumped up. I'm out of breath still. I do plan on going all the way up to Weekie Wachee the Springs, and I think it's gonna take me a couple hours. I'm gonna go at a slow pace today, so I'm gonna get in the water and start heading up there. Wish me luck. I paddled 1 mile up Weekie Wachee so far. This is mile 1. Pretty empty. I'm not trying to talk too loud because there's people that live here or their second homes here. The snowbirds. I've seen one manatee, and it's on my phone. Yeah, sorry, didn't have time to turn on the GoPro. All right, so I've paddled probably like a mile and a half, I'm gonna assume, and what I noticed so far is once you launch from Rogers Park, sorry, there's gonna be houses for about 1.25 miles, maybe 1.5 miles on the left-hand side. Until you get past that, then it looks like this. No houses on either side. Nice and quiet. Got about 5 manatees coming down here right now. Well, I've only made it 2 miles. It feels like it's been 10. But this is amazing. So much nature out here. I've seen videos of people climbing this tree and jumping off all the way up there. It's deep enough where you can do it, no problem. So October 1st in Florida. Looks like the leaves are starting to turn color a little bit. I know it's Florida, and no, I'm not colorblind. So right on the top, we'll see. I'll take the drone here in a little bit. So if you rent a kayak at Weekie Wachee Springs State Park, you float downriver or downstream, and this is where you would go. I think it's like a 2.5 mile run. So as of right now, I'm at 3 miles, and I've been paddling for 81 minutes, 762 calories. That's pretty good. So boats are allowed on the in the river, and but only trolling. So you can only go like at wake speed. So you have to stay in your vessel. You cannot swim or fish at Weekie Wachee Springs, just so you all know. Let's see what time it is. So it's 9:02. I've been paddling for an hour and a half, almost 1,000 calories. So if you reserve online to start from the state park, it's 9 a.m. That's the very first reservation you can make in order to start drifting down the springs. All right, let's see what time it is. It's 9:48. Paddling for 2 hours and 20 minutes, and I'm pretty close to the top now. So I have to turn around by 10 a.m. So I got about 12 minutes left. All right, so I made it as far as I could go today. It is 10 a.m. I almost came close to the springs. I came close to the springs. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's 2 hours and almost 30 minutes, 1,400 calories. Gotta go back home on the way down. I'm gonna go ahead and drift down. Now you can launch your own kayak here at the Weekie Wachee Springs, and I know it's $6 per person or per vessel. I'll have the link at this spring linked in the description below, and I know that you can get a shuttle ride back up, but I'm not too sure And I only say that because I never done it before, but I'm not too sure if they will pick you up at Rogers Park or not. I know that if you launch from the state park, it's roughly 2.5 miles down, and they have a little area where you have to get off, and that's where they pick you up and shuttle you back up to the springs, and that's 2.5 miles. And that ride costs like $4 per person. So me personally, I'd rather just, you know, huff it up and then just drift back down, all at the cost at parking. You know, if you find a place to park at Rogers Park and pay, that's pretty much the only expense you have. That's cute.